Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Mate 20 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the security. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on more settings, which is at the very bottom of the list, and find encryption and credentials. Let's tap. And here, as you can see at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on delete all credentials and tap on delete. Let's draw the pattern or simply confirm it with your screen lock. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.